next class. So see, first onwards we will say, dear Kitty, what is the name she has given to her diary?
Kitty.
Kitty. So she started the we can see what she started to write in her diary. Dear Kitty, our entire class is squawking in its boots. That paragraph we completed anyhow. Any one time also you can see all our classes squawking with their it is squawking with its boots. Of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next fort and who will be kept back. Why everybody was in tension? Because next meeting, the teachers are going to decide what who is going to promote to the next class and who is to be held back. Who is to be now the screen is visible now, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Our entire class is squawking in its boots. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next forum and who will be kept back. Half of the class is making bets. Gian and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us, Cian and Jacques, who have taken their entire holiday saving on their beds. From morning to night, it's you are going to pass. I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Even GS pleading glances and my angry outbursts can't calm them down. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. But teachers are the most unpredictable creatures in the earth. Underline the last sentence. The teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on earth. So that we completed. What happened? Even they all are talking each other. They are keeping bets on each other. Why? Because they are keeping bet on their own promotion to the next class. Then and from almost half of the class to be almost half of the class dummies in. So according to her, if back, but unfortunately or fortunately, they will be promoted to the next class because teachers are the most unpredictable creatures in the earth. Why Anne Frank is telling that teachers are the most unpredictable creatures in the earth? Because because say children, why? Because nobody can predict the decisions of the teachers. Nobody can predict the decision taken by the teachers. So Anne Frank is telling to her that teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. Understood? Got it, children? Next paragraph. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We will make it. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. Anyway, we all can do it. Wait. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose heart. So, girls' cases is okay. Myself and my friends, okay. We don't have another that much fear about our result because we are sure that we will be promoted to the next class. Then what Anne Frank is telling, she has all the hope for all the subjects except mathematics. Why? What happened to mathematics? What happened to mathematics for her? It is a little bit tough subject for her. Got it, children? I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We will make it up. Anyhow, we will make it up. The only subject I am not sure about is maths. The only subject I am not sure about is what subject? Mathematics. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Until we keep telling each other, do not lose heart. So until the teachers came and they announced the result, I told my friends to wait and lose their heart. Who is telling all these things?
And Frank.
And
And Frank.
Bharani Bharani is telling the answer. What about others? Huh? All are sleeping. See, if I get along with the next paragraph, third paragraph, I get along pretty with all my teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Well, Mr. Keesing, an old fogey who teaches Max, was annoyed with for ages because I talked too much. After several warnings, he assigned me extra homework, an essay on the subject, a chatterbox. A chatterbox. What can you write about that? I I would worry about that later. I decided. I jotted down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. Underline the word quiet, tucked and chatterbox. Underline. So I am along pretty with all with my teachers. What do you mean by I am going along? I get along pretty or well with all my teachers. It means that she is in a good relationship with all the teachers except mathematics teachers. How many teachers she has? She has 9 teachers, 7 men and 2
I'm under
women.
two women's ma'am.
Yes. Underline that one. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Keesing, the old fogey who teaches mathematics, was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. After several warnings, he assigned me an extra homework, an essay on chatterbox. Underline that one. She became a chatterbox in the classroom of mathematics. What do you mean by chatterbox? An over talking fellow. So she felt she is like a chatterbox in the classroom. So the teacher felt very much annoyed and disturbed. The teacher gave so many warnings. Who is the teacher? Mr. Casey. Who is the teacher's children? Mr. Casey. He gave so many warnings, but instead of her warning, she is continuing in talking inside the classroom. So at last he gave an punishment essay. What punishment essay he told her? He told her to write an essay on Chatterbox. So at the evening, she was wondering about how to write a paragraph about Chatterbox, and he wrote the title in her homework note. As it is, she kept inside the bag. Why she kept inside the bag? Because she doesn't know how what to write about a chatterbox. Got it, children? So why she is not that much good with the mathematics teacher? Because in mathematics classroom she was a talking fellow. So sir gave a punishment to her. What punishments are given to her? To write a essay about Chatterbox. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of the fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on that, leave big space between the words. But the trick was to come up with the convincing arguments, prove the necessity of talking. I thought and 3 pages. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait that I would do to do my best to keep it under control, but that I would never able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked so much. I did, if not more, and that mere not much you can do about inherited traits. Says, underline the second last word, inherited. Underline the second last word, inherited. Inherited, underline, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, what happened? After finishing my rest of the homework, who finished the all other homework? Rest of the homework means other homework. She decided to write the letter. Sorry, she decided to write a paragraph about the chatterbox. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words. But the trick was to come up with the convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. I thought, and suddenly I had an idea. At first, she doesn't know what to write in under the title a chatterbox, and she decided what we decided. Okay, in something I will write, and in between I will be leave some spaces. For examination, we will write like that, no? Or we know something, that something we will write by leaving so many spaces in between the words. So she also decided to do the same, but the trick was come up when between the words convincing arguments to prove necessity of talking. So what she decided to write an essay on to make him convince or to make him understand the importance of talking inside the classroom. Sir gave the essay chatterbox to make her to silent inside the classroom. But what Anne Frank decided to give some arguments or some points to clarify or to clear that what is the necessity of talking. Got it, children? I had an idea. I thought and thought. Suddenly, I had an idea. So I was thinking and thinking. At last, I got an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Keesing and assigned me and was satisfied. How many pages she wrote, children? So she's telling that she wrote nearly 3 pages. How many pages? 3 pages. Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. So she became very satisfied and argued that talking is a student's trait. What she argued through the is essay, through her essay. Underline the sentence, children. Through her essay, she argued that talking is a student's trait. Underline the word trait. What do you mean by trait? Character. Underline the word and write the meaning. Character. After the class, you have to post this one to the class group. So be very careful. Whatever I am telling, you can do. Students trait, and that I would do my best to keep it under control. So what she's telling, talking is a student's trait. Students இருந்தா பேசிட்டே இருக்கும் கிளாஸ்ல அப்படி she said to her teacher. Talking is a student's trait. Trait in a character, and that I would do my best to keep it in control. But what I did, I tried my level to keep it under my control. But that I would never able to cure myself. But it was unable to do by myself because of the have inherited habit. What do you mean by inherited? Underline the word inherited traits, the qualities that are transferring from generation to generation. So she is telling that she has a student trait at first. Talking is a student trait, and she is trying to control it. But next one, what is the next one? Because of the inherited habits. Her mother is a talking fellow, so she become a talkative girl. That is an inherited trait. Because of the inherited traits, she cannot control her talking habit. Who said this one? And Frank. So she justified her talking habit in her essay. What is the name of that essay? A chatterbox. The name of the essay is Chatterbox. In that essay, she justified that what she justified, talking is a student trait. Talking is a student's trait. She tried to control her level best, but it is unable to control because of the inherited habits. What inherited habits? It's a it's a quality she inherited from mother. Her mother is a talkative lady. So naturally, what happened? She also become a talkative girl inside the classroom. Who said this one?
Anne Frank. Anne
And
Frank.
Frank.
when she said or where she said all these things?
In diary, ma'am.
In the diary.
Yes, sir, chat.
Who gave her punishment?
Max teacher casing, ma'am.
Sir, Math teacher.
Max teacher, Mr. Kesing. Got it, children? That is a question answer. So you should underline that sentence, last sentence. Mr. Kesing had a good laugh at my arguments, but when I proceed to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. Underline an incorrigible chatterbox. Underline that one. I handled it, and Mr. Casey had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. However, during the third lesson, he had finally had enough. And Frank, as a punishment for talking in the class, write an essay entitled Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatbox. So what happened? At first, he assigned an essay on Chatterbox. In that, she argued that chatting is a student's trait, and above all, it is inherited from her mother. She tried to control that trait, but she cannot. Next one. What is the next one? She was okay. Her essay. She submitted the essay to her teacher. Yeah, the sir or the max teacher was laugh by seeing the essay. Next one. Good laugh at my arguments. But when I proceed to talk my way through the next lesson, that means next class also I was talking. He assigned me second essay. He assigned me second essay. Underline the second essay. This time it was supposed to be on incorrigible chatterbox. What do you mean by incorrigible? Something that cannot be
Corrected, ma'am.
correct. திருத்த முடியாதது அப்படி சொல்லலையா திருத்த முடியாத சாட்டர் பாக்ஸ் அப்படி இருக்குன்னு ஒரு எஸ்ஸே கொடுத்தேன் I handed it in and the Mr. Keesing nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. For that also she wrote an essay and gave it to sir. This time, first time only one lesson she was silent. This time 2 lessons she was silent in the classroom. But naturally what happened? She was talking in the next class. Anne Frank, so the sir become very angry. He told that Anne Frank, as a punishment for talking in the class, write an essay entitled Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Third time also, underline that this time it is was a lengthy one, like duck. She was talking inside the classroom always, so he gave on another punishment. Quack quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. The class wrote, I had to laugh too, though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterboxes. It was the time to come up with something else, something original. My friend Sani, who good at poetry, offered from the end, from the beginning to the end in verse, and I jumped for joy. Mr. Keesing was trying to play a joke on me with a ridiculous subject, but I had to make sure the joke was on him. So at first she became very sad. She doesn't know what to write with this lengthy subject. And the class was roared. What do you mean by roaring? It's big sound, laughing. The all class by hearing the subject of the essay, the whole class they become laughed. I had to laugh too. I also felt to laugh, though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of the chatterboxes. I felt very sad about the continuous topping of the continuous topics of the chatterboxes, one after another. The topic is coming, but the topic is not that much good, something original. So what happened? Her friend Sani, she was very her friend Sani was very talented in poetry. So what she decided? She decided to write a poem in the topic chatterbox. Mr. Keesing was trying to play something original. My friend Sani, who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from the beginning to end in a verse. What happened? She offered to help me to write an essay in the beginning to the end in a verse. Words in a poem. Underline the word and write words means poem. Prose means this thing, paragraph. Underline the word words and write meaning poem. My friend Sani, who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from the beginning to the end in verse, and I jumped for joy. I was very, very happy. Mr. Keesing was trying to play a joke on me with his ridiculous subject, but I had make sure a joke was on him. He trying to fun of me, but sure I was given an opposite shock to him. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a mother duck and a father swan with three baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. Luckily, Mr. Keesing took the joke in the right way and he read the poem to the class, adding his own comments and several other classes as well. Since I have been allowed to talk and I haven't been assigned any extra homework. On the contradictory, Mr. Keesing always making jokes these days. So what happened? She finished her poem and she submitted her poem to the max teacher. The poem was about a mother duck and a father swan. Swan, duck, duck. Both are water birds, but duck is very talkative and swan is very silent. So unfortunately, mother duck and a father swan, they have three ducklings, baby ducklings. The poem is about their talkativeness, and the father is become very, very angry, and he beaten to death. He's beaten to death means சுண்டு வச்சு அப்படி கொத்திக்கொண்டேன். Beaten to death. The ducklings were beaten to death by the father because they are talking too much. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with three baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. Luckily, Mr. Keesing took the joke in the right way. He heard the poem to the class, adding his own comments and several other classes as well. What happened? He read the poem inside the classroom and he said the comments. And since I have been allowed to talk, after that, she was allowed to talk inside the classroom, and he never allotted any extra homework. And Mr. Keesing, instead of that, he's also started to say jokes to inside the classroom. Got it, children? So, how many assignments she got?
Two
So,
assignments.
only two.
Three assignments. No, three months.
Assignments. What are the subjects of three assignments? First one, chatterbox. Second one, incorrigible chatterbox. Next, third one, quack, quack, quack,
Quack, quack.
quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. So, 3 assignments she received. So, our that chapter is over. Let us go with the reading practice. Who is ready to read?